Hello class. In this video session, I will show you how to make a program of HTML list with the help of Notepad and how to run this program with the help of web browser. Okay, so first of all, you need to create a folder. This one, I'm just showing you. Right click here. There is a new option, folder create. Write folder name HTML. You can write any name, but I am specifying that name is HTML because this is a HTML folder, because I am writing HTML program. So I made a folder HTML. Right. Now I am going to open Notepad file. Here I will write my program HTML head and title is a sub part of head, right? title. Suppose that I am giving my web page, right? You can give anything that you want to show in on title bar. Now head is closed, title is already closed, head is closed. Now I am going to specify body tag, that is your main tag. Whatever content written inside the body tag, it will show in your web browser, right? So today in this session we will see how to write a program of ordered list. So ordered list, we have to define, there is a tag OL, ordered list, O for ordered, L for list, right? And whatever content inside this list comes under the li tag. Li means list item. Suppose that I am going to create subject, right? Hierarchy of subjects, computer li. Now next li, I'm going to mention science subject, right? Li close. Again I'm going to define li English subject, right? English, right? Okay, so these are the li tags which comes under OL tag. Now close OL tag, and after that this tag we have to close, body tag, right? Body tag, after that HTML tag, right? After making this program, just we will look at once again. HTML head, title is a part of head tag. Title is given my web page, title close, head close, body start, and here we are defining order list OL. The list item contains computer subject, science subject, English subject, right? So 3 lists will be created in web browser, and by default it will take 1 2 3. Okay, the order will be 1 2 3. So I'm going to save this file, Control S, in that folder that we have created already in our desktop, that is HTML, right? Double click on it and write the file name, any file name. Suppose that I am writing ABC, but you have to save with .html or .htm extension. Save it. Now minimize this notepad. Here you can see that in this folder that we have created earlier, that is our web browser file ABC. Clear? Now open it. Here the list is showing computer, science, second one is science, third one is English. So that is your order list because it comes in order 1 2 3 form. By default it takes 1 2 3. Suppose that I have to write that list in ABC form. So what we have to do? Open Notepad once again. Here you have to mention some attributes in order list. OL type is equal to, suppose that I am saying that the list will be in ABC form. So I am writing capital A or small a. It is totally up to you. If you are defining small a, it will come in small ABC. If you are defining capital ABC, it will come in capital ABC form. Okay. Now again save it, Control S, minimize it, and again refresh it. Now you can see that here the listing is changed. Now listing is ABC. A computer, B science, and C is English, right? Now we will see how to change the order, basically this one. Suppose that if I want to start our list from C, not A, C, D, E. So what we have to do, right? Again come to the notepad, and I want my list should be start with C, not A. So I will write an attribute start is equal to what? C is on third number. So we have to write 3 because the value of A is 1, B is 2, and C is 3. And we are mentioning that star is equal to 3. It means our list will be come from C, D, E because the value of C is 3. Now again save it, minimize it, and refresh it. Now you can see that the list is showing in CDE form. Suppose that if you want, it will come in, suppose that small a. So I am going to write small a, and start is equal to, suppose that I am defining 2. So it will come from B part because the value of A is 1 or the value of B is 2. Whether it in a capital letter or a small letter, the value of B will be 2 and the value of A will be 1. So start with computer B, C, E. B for computer, C for science, and D for English. So answer would be this one. Now check it, save and reload it. Now you can see the BCD form, small letter. Okay, so that's all about this order list. Here you can also see some Roman numbers also. Where? Wait for a while. I am giving some Roman number. Okay, I am giving some Roman value first. Start with 1. Okay, Control S and reload it. Here you can see that these are the Roman numbers, first, second, third. And you can also change this order by changing the star type. Suppose that I want Roman number from 5. So I am defining 5. Okay, Control S and reload it. Now you can see that 5, 6, 7, right? So okay, that's all about this order list. Thank you.